Hello students. Now today we will do the revision of the lesson 1 number system. So in the earlier times when there were no means of counting, people used to count with the help of the fingers, stones, pebbles, sticks, etc. Means previously where there are no means of counting, that is there is no calculator, there is no computer. During those times, during those ages, the people used to count with the help of their fingers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and with the help of the stones, they used to count. For one goat, they keep one stone at some place. For the second goat, again they put one more stone for the second goat. Like this, they counts that is, this much stone, one stone for one goat, second stone for second goat. Like this, they used to count that how many goats and cows they have in their herd. And yes, so these methods were not adequate and had many limitations. How many sticks, how many things? Suppose you have to count the population of a village. So how many sticks you can collect, how many stones you collect. That is the things. To overcome these limitations, many number systems were introduced with the passage of time. So many number systems has come discovered for counting. That is the one is decimal number system. In the decimal number system, we use 10 different symbols for counting. All the numbers, either it is lakh, either it is crore, either it is arab, either it is thousand, all are represented only with the help of the 10 symbols. That is 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these 10 different symbols can make any number. Now binary number system. So in the same number, thousand, thousand, lakh, crore, also represented with the help of the two digits only, two symbols only. That is called 0 and 1. So in binary number system, to represent every number, we use only two digits. That is 0 and 1. In decimal number system, we use 10 digits, 0 to 9. But in binary number system, we use two digits 0 and 1. Means the same number, same decimal number can be converted into binary number. Same decimal number can be represented in binary number also. Octal number system. So in the octal number system, there are 8 different digits. We use 8 different digits, that is 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So like 93. 93 we cannot write in the octal number system as 93 because 9 is not a allowed digit used in octal number system. Because in octal number system we use only digits 0 to 7. 8 and 9 are not used in the octal number system. 8 and 9 digits are the part of the decimal number system. So this 93 you have to convert into the octal number. Okay. So what are the rules to convert this? So divide the decimal number. I have discussed in the last class that how to convert it. Divide the decimal number 93 by the base number of the octal number system, that is 8. So whatever the remainder you got, that note it down from the top, from the bottom to top you write that remainders, and now that will be the corresponding octal number of 93 of number for 93. Similarly, the fourth one is the hexadecimal number system. We can create our own number system also. These are the four only which we are studying. There can be more numbers, so we can also see the infinite number of number systems can be adopted. So next is the hexadecimal number system, which base is 16, means here 16 different symbols, 16 different digits we are using to represent the number. That is the 0 to 9, 10 digits of decimal number, and some letters, 6 letters also, A to F, A, B, C, D, E, F is also the part of the hexadecimal number system. Okay, now number system, which I have discussed here before. Now we can also create our own number system. Like we can say here is hexadecimal written, so we can also write, that is the here is written octal. So we can also write the hexal number system, not hexadecimal. Also we can write the pental number system, where we can use only 5 different digits, that is 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So represent our number. So how you convert that a decimal number system into pental number system? One more we are discussing. So that's basically you divide that number by the base number system of the pental. Decimal number system, suppose in decimal number you have taken, for example, you have taken 93 only. So 93 you divide by 5 and take all the remainders from bottom to top. That will be the number in the pental number system. That is the thing only. Okay. A number system is a set of values used to represent different quantities such as number of students in a class, number of viewers watching a particular show, etc. We use the decimal number system in our day-to-day life, whereas a computer represents all kinds of data and information in the binary number system. So this number system is a set of values, means set of number of digits which is used to represent different numbers. Okay, so we use a decimal number system in our day-to-day life, whereas computer represents in computer all the data and information like this ABCD, whatever you're writing, everything is represented. You double click, single click, every event is also represented, every image and picture is represented. This PDF file is also represented in the computer, only two in the form of two digits only, that is zeros and one. So in the binary number system, the total number of digits used in the number system is called its base. So how many digits you are using in a number system, that number of digits is called base or radix. So that's why the base for the decimal number system is 10, because in the decimal number system we are using 10 different digits. The base of a binary number system is 2 because we are using only two different digits to represent all the number in the binary, that is 0 and 1. So the base is written after the number as a subscript. Here subscript means at the down, superscript means at the above, like a square, a to the power 2, that is the 2 is the superscript, it is subscript. Now the decimal number system. See. The need for counting paved the way to introduce the decimal number system, in which 0 to 9 are used to form any number. Most of our arithmetic operations are performed with the decimal numbers. So our all arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, LCM, SCF, whatever the calculation maths we are studying, all we study the decimal number only. All we are doing in the decimal number. So decimal number system consists of 10 digits, that is 0 to 9 with the base 10, and each number can be used individually or they can be grouped to form a numeric value. Like 82 is a number, is a group of two different digits of the decimal number. Minus 256, 52.87, all these are the decimal number. The value of each digit in a number depends upon the following. What is the value of the digits in a number system? In any number system, the value of the digits is depend upon its position. From right to left, at what position, what place it is. Now the face value of the digit, the digits value the own digits value is called its face value. The base of the number system, that digit is a part of which number system. Third, the position of the digit in the number, at which position, because the rightmost digit's position is given 0. In any number system, the rightmost digit position we specify at 0. Here in minus 256, the position of 6 is 0, position of 5 is 1, position of 2 is 2. So each position represents a specific power of that base. So now that position we raise as the power of the base. The rightmost digit of a number is called least significant digit. In every number system, the rightmost digit is called the least significant digit and the leftmost digit is called the most significant digit. Now in the 547, 7 is the least significant and 5 is the most significant digit. Now see the position to the first last digit 7 is given 0, see 0, and that 0 is raised to the 10 power base, 7 into 10 to the power 0. Now fourth position is 1, that is 4 into 10 to the power 1. Means the position of the digit is used as a power on the base of the number system, because 527 is a digit of decimal number system, so the base we use here 10 and the power should be the position of the digit. So the rightmost digit we give the position 0, position 1, position 2. Now the position of 5 is 2, that is 5 into 10 to the power 2. Now add all the values, 7, 10 to the power 0 value 1, 7 1 is 7, 10 to the power 1 value 10, 4 10 is 40, 10 to the power 2 value 100, 5 into 100, 500, add on 547. So you get like this. Okay. So this is all for today, students. In the next class, we will study the another number system. Uh, Today we will study decimal. In the next class, we will study the binary and the other number system. Okay. So you can see in the next class we are going to study binary number system. Okay. So this will study tomorrow. This is all for today. Thank you for the attention.